Alright. What's up, you guys? We're back at it. Show your face, dog.
Yeah, he does, but he's camera shy. Okay, Rick, how does it feel being back, man?
Feels alright. Feels weird being out in the. Feels weird being out in the real world again. So what do we have here?
You got a single cam D16 Z6 semi-built on 10 pounds for now.
Is this your alternator?
Yeah, it's my alternator. Right now I'm changing the intercooler because I had a smaller one. So I got a bigger one. Go big or go home. You know? Right, please.
Some street slicks?
Snow slicks.
Snow slicks?
I'm going to see. And then putting in like the 90 like right there. But then I feel like I'm gonna have to cut.
It's gonna stick out too much though?
I'm gonna feel I have to cut this one. I'm gonna have to just cut this one a little bit so it can be shorter, you know what I mean?
Yeah, like this one.
The 90. Too fucking out.
Yeah, it's
there.
too far out.
I feel like cutting both of them just a little bit.
I'd cut the back one.
Yeah, no?
Yeah.
No, but I need to cut this one too. I would cut it like right here. And this one. I'm gonna cut both of them.
He has a bandsaw, no?
Yeah, he has a bandsaw. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut it like to like right here. And then this one like right here too.
You know what they say is the, what is it? Measure once, cut twice?
What? Perfect cuts, baby. Fuck, I think. I don't know, I'll see right now. I think it's too short now? I think I cut it too short.
Either way, you have the other one too.
If you fuck up one. Where I need the 90. Clean it up a little bit. Okay, so something like that.
¿Te digo, vale?
See, I knew it. I knew it, bro.
I was just testing you.
I was just testing you, dog. Later.
Yeah, that looks better.
Yeah. Something like that. Okay. And then I'll shove this bitch in there. How's my pedals?
Have you been working out?
Okay.
See, that looks better.
Yeah, there we go. Something. See, that was what I was trying to tell you, no? Like that.
Yeah.
And then that way, you're gonna get the neck one.
How much do you pay that guy over there?
Eso me sale caro.
What does that say? USA?
World War III USA. I'm scared. So like,
Yeah. You have to do the same as like you just cut up?
yeah,
Or are you gonna cut all this completely?
I'm gonna cut it all completely. Oh wait.
Yeah.
Even, bro, I can even take it like right there, no?
Yeah, you can take it behind. It'll be a lot better in case you ever get in an accident. The bash bar will,
Yeah.
the crash bar, bash bar, whatever.
Yeah.
It'll protect it.
And then I have these either.
And you can just make tabs.
Boom.
That. You should be able to. Might need to cut that one a little bit.
Yeah, I might have to cut that one.
Just a little bit. So you can make tabs off here. Pa acá.
Or I can rotate it that way a little bit, and then it can go like, oh no. No, yeah, I'm gonna have to cut this one.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then just make tabs off here. For the...
Oh, I can put like self-tappers though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Welding it would be a lot sturdier. Sturdier? Sturdier?
Yeah, like that, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just run it like that, no?
We're gonna run a poll right now, and we're gonna let Instagram decide.
Alright. What, did you cut holes?
Behind or in front? Attempt number 2.
See, like that, like a no, you know what I mean? No. There we go. The chingos, alright. Where you want to put the nuts inside?
What? You want to put my what in what?
Put your nuts into in the hole. I mean the bolt. Yeah, como que así, ¿no? Very clear.
No, it's the same shit.
Just use
That's clear.
clear coat it.
We'll get the WD-40 from my first.
Like, all of a sudden he's a body shop and repair.
For everybody's seen that shit.
What?
You just spray WD-40 and it's clear
You
again.
spray WD-40?
Yeah.
I've never seen that.
I'm
WD-40?
gonna go bring it.
Now we're gonna go get it.
Don't do drugs, kids.
Yeah, don't do drugs.
You got fucking cleaning your headlights with WD-40.
Or spending a year at rehab.
You're spending a year. Hey, at least it works now, no? You know what I mean? Here, look. Fucking chubby. They jacked his butt, but it's there, dog.
I don't know, I saw that shit in a Sonic video.
You see that shit on TikTok?
Sonic.
Sonic?
I'm gonna lie.
Sonic?
I actually did clear, no?
Sonic the Hedgehog?
How long does it last, though?
30 minutes.
So it dries up?
By the time you take the picture?
It looks cleaner, I guess. Shit looks the same. Wax on, wax off. Circular motions.
See right here is kind of dirty. Andale, see? I don't need to buy new headlights then. Okay. Oh yeah, it's nice.
So out of 36 people, there's 3 votes.
What did they vote?
Behind.
Behind? Told you I was behind.
She did it backwards?
Yeah, I did it backwards. Fuck. Yeah, see, I did it backwards. Some shit like that. So I'm gonna bend this a little bit. This one back a little.
So it's nice.
So we did these 2 brackets for the intercooler. We put these, and then we just need to weld that to the radiator support, and then this bracket I made like almost like a no support, but for the bottom, over here in the bottom of the corner. That's pretty much it.
Is that it?
Yeah, we're done.
That's it for today.
For today.
So when are we hitting the streets?
2023.